Class 9 and 10 students, welcome back to Bimal Sarji YouTube channel. This is question number 10d, Unit 14, Geometry Parallelogram, Exercise 14.1, Class 9 Compulsory Mathematics. This question can be solved in two ways. If possible, in the same videos, I will try to solve or explain both the methods. So don't skip the videos and don't forget to check the playlist. In the playlist you can find class 9 and 10 solutions of your compulsory maths, optional maths and science. Some of the highlights of my YouTube channel is search in the search box Bimal Sarji 20 element, Bimal Sarji 118 element, Bimal Sarji short speech, Bimal Sarji prime number, Bimal Sarji province and Bimal Sarji GK, Bimal Sarji Bal Vivah and many more. You can check the playlist, and there is the shortcut trick to learn the 20 elements, which is very helpful for both class 9 and 10 students in the SEE examination, because the trick will make you remind the 20 elements, proton number, electron number, atomic mass and many more with your some funny dialogues like Hindi, Mathli, mixed dialogue. That if you remember that dialogue or sentence, that will remind you for a long time. So don't forget to check the playlist and see the videos of Bimal Sarji 20 element and Bimal Sarji 118 element. Okay, that is funny type also. And if you want the much more solutions, then keep the channel subscribing, share with your friends and give a sweet comment, so that whatever video I upload you will get notification. Or follow me in the Facebook page www.facebook.com/BIMALSAJAN or @Bimal Sajan. If you type in the apps you will get. And if you type www.facebook.com Bimal Sajan in the browser, then you will directly get. Otherwise check the video description, there is my Facebook and TikTok ID. Follow me there so that you will not miss the videos, and coming days you will get all the solutions of your class 9 and 10 textbooks as well as question banks, which is very necessary for you class 9 and 10 students to secure good marks in your SEE examination. So keep watching and keep supporting. Okay, I will now begin the solution. The question is 10d. In the given figure, ABCD is a parallelogram. Here is ABCD is a parallelogram. If P and Q are the points of trisection, this P and Q are the points of trisection of diagonal BD. Prove that PAQC is a parallelogram. Okay, here is P and Q are the points of trisection. That means, okay, this divides into three parts, meaning that BP is equal to PQ is equal to QD. Okay, so now I'll write the given parts. Here is given ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay, and P and Q are the points of P and Q are the points of trisection of diagonal BD. That means, okay, that is okay. That is. What is the meaning of this sentence? P and Q are the points of trisection. That means this divides, P and Q divides into three equal parts to BD diagonal. Okay, that is, we can write here BP is equal to PQ is equal to QD. Okay, this means, okay, this sentence means that the three parts are equal. This part. See the symbol, this is equal to this is equal to this. Okay, and now prove that. To prove PAQC is a parallelogram. PAQC is a parallelogram. Okay, to prove. Now, okay, if possible you can draw this table, because okay, most of you prefer the table, and it also makes it, okay, good look for this solution. Okay, now I will write a statement. statements, and there is reasons. If possible, I will explain here both the methods, okay, to solve this. There is also shortcut method and long cut method, okay. Now, our target to show this parallelogram, our target is to show that the opposite sides are equal and parallel, okay. If we show a pair, means only one pair, this or this is equal to this and parallel, if you can show, then that is automatical parallelogram. Why? Because there is the theorem that if one pair of parallelogram are equal and parallel, then that is a parallelogram. Sorry, if the quadrilateral, okay, if the opposite sides of a quadrilateral, any quadrilateral means what? Four sides, okay, four sides. If any quadrilateral, one pair means one, okay, this and this is suppose this is equal and parallel, then this is a parallelogram. Either this pair or this pair, any pair. This, suppose this is not equal, okay, suppose there is not equal, and suppose this is equal to this side, okay, and this is parallel this side, then automatically this quadrilateral will be a parallelogram. This is the concept, okay, here we can apply, okay. So now let's begin the solution. Now here is in triangle I will take triangle ADQ. In triangle ADQ, and in triangle BCP, I will try to solve these two triangle, okay, BCP. So here we can take side, angle and side we can take, okay, side, angle, side, okay, this side. So this side AD is equal to what? BC. This is the side, and the reason for this is what? AD is equal to BC. Opposite sides of parallelogram are equal, okay, opposite sides of parallelogram, okay, opposite sides of parallelogram are equal, or okay, are equal, you can write, or okay, it will automatically known by this sentence, okay, opposite sides of parallelogram. Now two number, this side is equal to this side, and this angle, okay, this angle is equal to this angle. Why? Because this is parallel to this, so this is what is this? Alternate angle. So this angle name is what? ADQ. Angle ADQ. Angle ADQ is equal to angle angle ADQ. So CBP, angle CBP. This angle equal to this angle. What is the reason here? AD parallel BC. Why? This is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay, so AD parallel BC and alternate angle, comma, alternate angle. Okay, it means what? Alternate angles are equal. Number 3. So we have taken side, angle. Now this side, okay, this side. So this side is we have taken first ADQS. So take this side. QD is equal to BP. Here is QD is equal to BP. Okay, we can take from here. QD is equal to BP. What is the reason? Given. Okay, this is equal to this, and okay, you can take this equal to this. Given there is, okay. So we can now write a given. Now 3 number we can write that. 4 number we can write now. Therefore, triangle ADQ is congruent to triangle BCP. The reason for this is what? By side, this is our angle, okay, angle and side, by side, angle, side, axiom or criteria. We got this, yes. Now in the 2 number we can write here. What is by 2 number? What we can write? This the side corresponding to this angle is what? AQ. So AQ is equal to this angle is equal to this angle. So side corresponding to this angle is what? PC. AQ is equal to, we got here PC. Also now we can write the angle. One angle we can write here now. This angle is so angle corresponding to this side is what? This angle. Got it? And this side is equal to this side. So this angle, the side corresponding to the angle corresponding to BC side is what? This angle. Okay. Here this angle, and this is the P. Okay. Right. I'll write here. Okay. This angle. So now we can now write here 3 number. Okay. We can write now here angle. This angle name what we can written as here? AQD. Angle AQD. Angle AQD. Angle AQD. AQD is equal to angle BPC. Angle BPC. Angle BPC. The reason for this 2 number reason is what? For both we can write the same reason. What? Corresponding parts of congruent triangle, because these are the corresponding part. If we separately we can write, then we can write here corresponding sides of congruent triangles. And here corresponding angles are equal. Okay, here corresponding angles of congruent triangles. Okay, we could write the same in the same, but single reason was sufficient, that corresponding parts of congruent triangles. That means corresponding parts are equal. Now 4 number, one things I want to show you. If you can see here, see there, this is this side. Okay, this is we have, suppose this is this line and this line. Okay, I will take this. Okay, I will take this line and this line here. I will draw the figure for you. Okay, suppose this is here. Okay, this line and this line AQ. This is our AQ and this is our PC. Okay, I will draw like a parallel. Okay, I will draw it like a parallel. Okay, like this. Got it? This is our AQ and this is our PC. Okay, the line goes this way. The line goes how? The line goes this way here in the figure. Okay, this is our P, this is our Q. Okay, the line goes this way, and here we have shown this angle is equal to this angle. Then one thing I want to show you, if this angle is A, this is angle, suppose this is, we have proved here this angle is equal to this angle. Okay, suppose this is A, then this also will be what? A. Got it? Then this angle will be what? This angle will be how much? 180 minus A. 180 degree minus A. Yes, this angle. In the same way, this will be what? 180 degree minus A will be, because this is the okay linear pair. This is also linear pair. So this angle is equal to this angle. Alternate angle. So we can write this angle equal to this angle. Okay. Now we can write here this is equal to parallel. We can now write here. Therefore, AQ parallel PC. If this angle is equal to this angle, then we can say that this angle is parallel. AQ parallel. Okay, PC. Why? Because this is alternate co-interior angles. Okay, alternate co-interior. This is called alternate co-interior angle. So now I will write here from 4 number, from 3 alternate co-interior angles. Alternate co-interior angles are equal. Okay, this is alternate co-interior angles. Okay, so can you let me check the camera, okay, whether it is seeing or not. Yes, you can view in the camera. Okay, the writing is very small, but you should take the help of my audio. Okay, what I spoke. Okay, see there, 4 number there is AQ parallel PC from 3 alternate co-interior angles are equal. Okay, the and there I have written 180 minus A I have written, but it's not looking in the camera. Okay, but take the help of my audio. Okay, that will explain the better. My writing is not good, but okay. This is here 180. This is what is this? This is here 180 degree minus A, and this is also what? A 180 minus A, because this is equal. So equal means this we can suppose A and this also suppose A. Okay. So this is what called alternate quadrant angles are equal. Now in the 5 number, now directly we can see there in any parallelogram. Okay. In any parallelogram, suppose this is the parallelogram. I have already explained that. Suppose this is our A Q. Okay, this is A Q and this is PC. We have proved what we have proved? AQ is equal to, we have proved AQ is equal to what? PC. And also we have proved here that AQ parallel PC, that AQ is parallel to PC. So there is a theorem that in a quadrilateral, any quadrilateral, if opposite one pair of, that is this is one pair, है नेपालीमा एक जोडी, यो एउटा जोडी भयो, यो वन पेयर एन्ड दिस इज अदर पेयर, एउटा अर्को जोडी भयो। कुनै एउटा जोडीलाई यदि तपाईले इक्वल र प्यारलल देखाउन सक्नुभयो भने त्यसलाई डाइरेक्टली हामीहरूले के भन्न सक्छौं त कि यो क्वाड्रिलेटरल के हो, प्यारलेलोग्राम हो। त्यही भएर हामीले यो जोडीलाई मैले हेराइदिए हैन, मैले हेराइसके है। त्यही भएर अब हामीले डाइरेक्ट लेख्न सक्छौं के दैट एपी APCQ PA, okay, PAQC, okay, therefore can write here therefore PAQC is a parallelogram, okay, it is proved. The reason is what? 5 number reason, okay, from first I write here from which part? From 2 and 4, from 2 and 4, from 2 and 4 in if one pair of opposite sides of quadrilateral, okay, of quadrilateral if one pair of opposite sides of quadrilateral are equal and parallel, then it is a what? Then it is a parallelogram, okay. This is the reason, long cut reason, okay. So this is the proof, okay. PAQC is okay, parallelogram, this is proof. There is also one other method. Suppose if you don't want to write this bigger sentence, then you have to take now this triangle and this triangle, okay, and prove that this triangle and this triangle are congruent, okay. How can we prove that it is a congruent? Okay, this is the solution, complete solution. But if you want to make it long and more clarify, then you can now write in triangle APB and triangle this triangle, what is their equal? This side is equal to this side, and we can take now one angle equal. So this angle is equal to what? This angle. Why? Because AB is parallel DC, so alternate angles, and side angle on this side BP is given. So this is what? This is also what? Congruent. This triangle and this triangle is congruent, and then you can take the same way. You can take what? Corresponding sides and angles, and you can prove that QC is equal to AP and QC is parallel to AP. You can prove, okay. So students, I have explained this, and there is also one other method. If possible, okay, I have to rub this and I have to prove that, okay. So I will pause first video and then I will rub it and I will show you the other process also. Okay students, this is the solution, one of the solutions, and I will pause the video and I will write other methods now. The time stamp for second video is 20 minutes 13 seconds. You can see there, okay. The time stamp is 20 minutes 13 seconds for the second process. In the second process, what we have to write here? We have to write here construction. Okay, the second method is we have to do construction. Okay, suppose if you join this, okay, if you join this, okay, then write here join A, join AC, okay, join AC such that it intersect at O, okay, this is at O, okay, join AC such that it intersect at O on diagonal, okay, on diagonal BD, okay. Now AC and BD, now AC and BD intersect each other at O. Now AC and BD of diagonal. Now AC and BD of diagonal. Now AC and BD diagonal, okay, diagonal of parallelogram. Parallelogram ABCD intersect or what? Bisect. AC and BD of the bisect each other. Can you see this clearly? Yes, you can watch it, okay. Now AC and BD, okay, this is AC and BD, this diagonal, okay, diagonals of parallelogram, this parallelogram ABCD bisect each other. What is meaning of this? That is, okay, number one here, we can now write it, number one, that OA is equal to OC. OA is equal to OC and OA is equal to OC and BO is equal to OD. BO is equal to OD. Why? Because in the bigger parallelogram, they bisect each other. Okay, bisect each other means, suppose this is our parallelogram. Then diagonals, okay, this diagonal and this diagonal bisect each other means this side is equal to this side and this side is equal to this side. Okay, this much equal to this much. Okay. Now number two is there given what? Given is what here? BP is equal to QD. Okay, number two. In number three, this is our OD. Now in number three, okay, subtract from this BO. From BO subtract this part. Okay, so from this BO minus, okay, this BO minus BP is equal to this OD minus this QD. Okay, because these both are equal. Okay, from equal side we can, okay, subtract equal parts. Okay, got it? Because this is equal to this, so we can now write a reason for what? Reason is here from 1 and 2. Okay, from 1 and 2. From this subtract this part and from this. Okay. Now number 4, BO minus BP. BO minus BP means what? PO or OP is equal to, and OD minus QD OD minus QD means what? OQ is equal to OQ. Got it? OP is equal to OQ. Yes. Solving S. Solving 3. Okay. Solve this 3. Okay. Now we got OP is equal to OQ. OP is equal to OQ. And number 5. OP is equal to OQ and AO. OA is equal to OC. Okay. So now we can write, therefore PAQC is a parallelogram. PAQC. PAQC is a parallelogram. Okay. PAQC parallelogram. Why? Because see there, OA is equal to, we got here this same condition we got here in this triangle AQCP. In this triangle, okay, this equal to this we got here. What is this? O. AO is equal to OC, or OA is equal to OC we have got here, and OP is equal to OQ. OP is equal to OQ we got. So this is a parallelogram because the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Okay. Okay. The reason is what? Because the diagonals of a parallelogram, diagonals of a quadrilateral, okay, of a quadrilateral, okay, diagonals of quadrilateral, okay, diagonals of quadrilateral PAQC, okay, PAQC, quadrilateral PAQC, diagonals of a quadrilateral PAQC bisect each other, we can write from here also, okay, bisect each other, okay, bisect each other, of a quadrilateral PAQC bisect each other at O such that OA is equal to OC, OA is equal to OC, and OP is equal to OQ. OP is equal to OQ. Okay. So class 9 and 10 students, this is the second method, and this is the time stamp of ends at the 20 minute 13 seconds. So when you click this, then you will get this second step. Okay, second method. So class 9 and 10 students, this is a long video of about 30 minutes because I have solved this question in two ways, two methods. Okay, whichever methods you like you can do, and please don't skip the video because whatever the secret tricks are in the solutions of this question, okay, I have explained. So you should listen my audio because my writing is not good. Okay, so you should listen audio by using the earphone, re-listen it, so that whatever the concept is in this question, I have explained all the question that there are this much possibility, we can solve in many ways. Okay, I have solved other shortcut method in full method, there is also, okay, that will be also, okay, good, okay, that is also good, but that is long way, and by seeing this video of 30 minutes you can do this question in any ways. Okay, nothing is mistakes in this question. Okay, so class 9 and 10 students, if you want the clear concepts to solve any question, okay, then subscribe to this Bimal Sarji YouTube channel, because this channel is going to provide you all the concepts of class 9 and 10 one by one, not at a time. Okay, because this video okay, this channel will provide you also the question bank solutions. Okay, so for that you have to follow me in the Facebook page and subscribe this channel. Okay, keep watching, keep supporting. See you in the next videos. Radhe Radhe, Jai Shri Krishna.